Hello, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today I'm here to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Welcome to your Tuesday Daily. I'm so glad you're implementing these and using these videos because these will help you simplify your life, and these, if you implement what I'm saying to do, will give you your afternoons off from housekeeping. Except for your routines in the afternoon, like you might want to finish laundry in the afternoon, your after dinner routine, your before bed routine. That's it. Everything else happens in the morning. So the first thing we're going to do is our morning routine. After the morning routine, we're going to put our children, if we have them, through their routine or whomever else we're caring for. And then we're going to do the routines with our pets, if we have pets. And then we're going to be off for the day. So if you're going to work, you're a payroll lion, you're going to go to work and you're going to be at peace because you've got your makeup on, you're dressed in what you know is perfect for what the occasion is today. Your kids are dressed perfectly for what well, there's no perfect, but they're dressed as well as they can be for their occasion today. Everybody's got their special projects and all the things and accoutrements that go with that. So you're happy, you're not worried, you're not like, oh, did he forget his lunch? You know he has his lunch because you were there observing, because you were available, because you did your routine before you got them up. All right, now once you get to work, you're going to say hello, of course. You're going to get something to drink, go to your nice clean desk, open your control journal, and get to work. On your break and lunch, these are the things you're going to think about today. You're going to think about the basic weekly home blessing hour. The home blessing hour happened on Monday. It's a whole hour. If you work, you probably don't have time to do that, but you can delegate one item for 5 or 6 days, and that will leave you, if you delegate one item a day, to do maybe your sheets on Saturday. Okay, so somebody can vacuum one day, somebody can mop one day, somebody can dust one day, somebody can empty the garbage cans one day, and somebody can, what's left? There's something left. Wipe the glass one day. Okay, they can do that. Those aren't hard jobs for kids that are 9, 10, 11, 12 years old. They can do those jobs. But if you choose not to delegate, or you don't have anyone to delegate to, then you yourself can do them while your meal is cooking tonight. One a day. And then on Saturday, do your sheets, for example. Okay? All right. If you choose not to do any of that, you can take an hour on Saturday and do it. That's your consequence. If that's what you want to do, that's your choice. Next thing is you're going to think about what today is. Today is Tuesday, so there's no additional things that I'm adding because for our at-home fly babies, this is a free day. But it is zone 2, the kitchen. So as you did yesterday, you're going to continue today. While you're in the kitchen, go ahead and do something in there. If you still have clutter, and if you've been working at it steadily every time we're in the kitchen, 4 days a week, 15 minutes a day, you can get all the clutter cleared up in an hour. You can, unless you've really been stockpiling in there. And if you have, that's okay. Keep going. But it's 15 minutes of throw away, put away, get away, staying, throw away, put away, give away, staying in play. So you're not running around the house doing that. You're sticking with this. And then when the 15 minutes is up, you're throwing the trash out, you're putting the giveaway in the back of the car, and you're taking the put away, and now you're putting it away. Okay? And that's a 2 to 5 minute project right there. That's it. Don't make this bigger than it has to be. Don't complicate things. Keep it simple. All right, so we have, if you've chosen to do that, then that means when you get home today, you're going to start a load of laundry, you're going to go through an inch of paper. Remember, you're not handling it, you're just sorting it out and putting things that require handling in your inbox for Wednesday. When you work, you take that to work with you and handle it on your lunch hour. All right, you are keeping an ear out for your laundry because you're going to have to put that in the dryer, and then you're going to need to hang that up and put it away, right? You don't need to, but it's my suggestion to prevent Mount Foldmore, which is a very disgusting and sad way to be, having piles of clothes that need to be folded. And that doesn't make anyone happy. Take care of it as soon as it's warm and sweet out of the dryer. Fold it up, put it away, hang it up, put it away. All right, so you're listening for that. You're starting dinner. Don't delay. Don't make dinner so late that it's so hard to clean the kitchen at the end of the day. Go ahead and start your dinner. You may not want to serve it right away. That's fine, but get it made. Make your dinner. Then while the dinner is simmering or holding or whatever, you can do the 10 minutes of your basic weekly home blessing hour or weekly home blessing hour, and you can do 15 minutes of decluttering in your kitchen. If you don't have clutter, yay for you. You only have to pick one thing to do in there. Open a drawer and clean it out. Or clean the vent over the stove or the hood. Or, pick something. Clean the refrigerator. Pick one thing. And don't do it for more than 15 minutes. Most things take less. The fridge and the stove sometimes take a little longer, so you want to break those into parts. Okay, that's it. Now after dinner, we're all going to come together with the after dinner routine. Let me quickly go to our at-home flybabies. So at-home flybabies, your job is to get up this morning and do your morning routine. After that, the children's routine. After that, the pets and animals routine. After that, you're ready to start your day. Put your laundry in, go through an inch of paper. Don't handle it, just sort it. If you don't have an inch of paper, good for you. When your mail comes in, make sure to sort it before you bring it in the house, so you only have things that go in your handle basket or file basket. That's the same basket. And then let's see, what else do we have to do? Okay, today's Tuesday. It's your free day, so you don't have to do anything. Yesterday you did your weekly home blessing hour. So your basic weekly project for today is a free day. So that means a day to pamper yourself a little bit. And you don't do your zone today. You can skip your zone because a free day is a free day. All right? Now, when you do have to continue with your routine, so listen for your laundry, hang it up, put it away, fold it up, put it away while it's warm and sweet. Next thing is after dinner routine. So after dinner, and don't wait too long to make your dinner either. After dinner, you're going to, everybody at home and payroll, we're coming together, we're going to know psychologically every one of you is doing this with you, so you're not by yourself. We are getting our children to help us clean the kitchen. Our family is going to help us in all the little jobs that we have. They're not big jobs, and we're not going to over-assign and make anybody freak out. They're little jobs, and they come with consequences. If you've got somebody who you've trained to do this and they know how, and they choose not to, that's fine. You can clean the kitchen, you're perfectly capable, but that comes with a consequence. Don't forget, what is the consequence? If they choose not to clear their table, if they choose not to wipe the counter or whatever you've asked them to do, then they've chosen the consequence, which is a loss of something that they really like screen time or a book they're reading or a movie on Saturday. But it's got to be preset. You can't just pop it out of your head when you're angry. It has to happen so you're not angry. So you say, okay, now don't forget, that's fine, you don't have to do it, but the consequence that you're choosing is you're choosing not to go to the movies with us on Saturday. Because anytime I ask you to do something and you don't, then you lose your Saturday privilege or whatever it is. Don't forget, that's your choice, but you could do this. It takes 3 minutes, and I would love to have you in here. So you're happy, you're not taking it personally, okay? All right, after dinner, before bed routines. If you're exhausted, do yours first. If you're not exhausted, you can help your little ones through theirs and oversee your big ones. Remember to inspect what you expect. Don't forget to do a clutter check in the morning before work or before you leave the house, around lunchtime if you're home, and before bed. Clutter check. The kids have to pick up their stuff. They can't clutter your house because it's nice and tidy, and that's the way it's going to stay. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.